My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This vehicle has done just over 7,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. Using the buttons just below the screen, we can access our key features, which include media with Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation and our map, as well as our button settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.